Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. Parts of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar in India are set for heavy rain to begin from 1st of July, and intense rains and possible flooding has been forecast over this region. According to the Indian Meteorological Department, the moist monsoon easterly winds which are blowing inland from the Bay of Bengal are expected to pick up in strength in the next few days, and it will effectively cause enhanced rainfall activity along the Himalayan foothill regions across the North Bihar, North Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. In fact, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall has been predicted over Uttarakhand and Himalayan foothills of East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar starting from Thursday. The adjoining Gangetic West Bengal will witness isolated heavy showers from Thursday to Saturday, that is from July 1 to 3. In addition to this, moderate to severe thunderstorms accompanied by frequent cloud-to-ground lightning strikes are most likely in East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, which may cause grave injuries, even casualties to the people and animals staying outdoors. In view of these predictions, the Indian Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert over all three Indian states from July 1st to 3, with the advisory urging people residents to be prepared for rough weather. This intense rainfall activity will lead to an increased inflow into the rivers originating and flowing over these regions. Therefore, the risk of flooding, especially in the low-lying regions of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, will be very high. Bihar is already under the threat and is worst hit state in India. Persistent rainfall over the past few days had caused waterlogging at several places in Patna in Bihar last weekend. After about 145 millimeters rain on Saturday morning, water accumulated up to knee level in several posh areas. The water levels of rivers Mahananda, Kankani and Parman were flowing over the danger level, threatening the villages located on their banks. As per the flood forecast and report issued by the Central Water Commission on 20th June, rivers Gandak and Burhi Gandak were flowing at dangerously high levels in Bihar's Gopalganj and Samastipur districts. Though the water level equaled or exceeded the danger level, it remained below the highest flood level. Moreover, the rivers Koshi, Bagmati, Kamla, Adwara and Punpun in Bihar and the rivers Ganga and Gagra in Uttar Pradesh were been flowing at the warning levels but below the danger levels. However, with the possible flooding on the horizon following the spike in the rainfall activity in the next few days, residents of these regions are warned to take some measures to keep themselves safe. Many parts of northeast India, especially along the Brahmaputra river, are starting to possible flood situation as water levels have breached the severe flood levels over the weekend. In addition to this, forecast suggests that extremely wet weather conditions will prevail over the region this week. The monsoon has turned vigorous over the parts of the North India, and heavy rains thunderstorms are set to batter the region throughout this week starting from Monday. An east-west monsoon trough is likely to persist this week, and the system is expected to induce the precipitation over the parts of northeast India for the next 3-4 days. The Indian Meteorological Department also forecasts the strong, moist southwesterly winds over the region this week. Due to these meteorological conditions, widespread rainfall and thunderstorms are possible over the northeastern states and sub-Himalayan West Bengal during the next few days. Moreover, heavy to extremely heavy rainfall is possible over the parts of Assam and Meghalaya from Monday to Wednesday. Likewise, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh are also expected to witness heavy rains throughout this week. Besides, parts of Sikkim may see heavy to very heavy rainfall on Monday and Tuesday, followed by the heavy to extremely heavy rainfall from Wednesday onwards. Prevailing meteorological conditions, large-scale atmospheric features and the forecast wind patterns suggest the favorable conditions for the further advance of southwest monsoon into the parts of Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and Punjab are likely to develop during the next 5 days. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.